ಮೈನೇಚರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಕಾರ್ತಿಕೇಯ ಶಿವ ಸೇನಾಪತಿ ಸಾರ್ ಮನೇಲಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟಿ ಸೇನಾಪತಿ ಕಾಂಗಯಂ ಕ್ಯಾಟಲ್ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್, ಮತ್ತು ಇವ್ರು ಬಂದು ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ನಾನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ತಮಿಳ್ ವೆಲ್ಫೇರ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ತಮಿಳ್ನಾಡು, ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ DMK ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿಂಗು, ಮತ್ತು ಇವ್ರ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಬಂದು ಒಂದು ಚೋಳರು ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸೇನಾಧಿಪತಿ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಹಲವಾರು ವಿಚಾರಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ. ಕಾರ್ತಿಕೇಯ ಶಿವ ಸೇನಾಪತಿ, ಕುಟ್ಟುಪಾಳ್ಯಂ ವಿಲೇಜು, ಕಾಂಗಯಂ ತಾಲೂಕು, district ಬಂದು. So this is Tirupur district, right? Yeah, this is Tirupur district. I am explain that family background. Hello sir, good evening sir.
Hello.
Okay, hello, hi. Actually tell me yourself. Some lots of people viewers you are watching this video. You tell me Tamil or English, which language you are comfortable explain.
I am Karthikeya Senapathi.
Okay.
Managing trustee of Senapathi Kangyam Cattle Research Foundation.
Okay.
Kangyam is a breed in the western region of Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
And Kangyam is called the Mysore type animal. It is closely related to the breeds of cattle in Karnataka, like the Hallikar and the Amruth Mahal. In fact, Kangyam was improved by an ancestor of our family using the Amruth Mahal bulls 100 years ago. So Kangyam is a unique breed, and Tamil Nadu has 5 breeds of cattle. In eastern part of Tamil Nadu, in the regions of Thanjavur, Thiruvarur, Nagapattinam, those districts you have the Umbalacheri, and in the southern parts of Tamil Nadu you have the Pulikulam in Madurai, Sivagangai, Ramanathapuram, Pudukkottai, which is used mostly for Jallikattu.
Actually, this cattle is used from Jallikattu bulls?
No, very rarely.
Why,
so
sir?
only
What is the
because
reason?
of the size of the hump. The hump is a huge one. Because of the size of the hump, it's easy to catch. So this is not used. And Pulikulam is a very good breed for Pulikulam.
Only Jallikattu reason, only Pulikulam.
Jallikattu, yeah. And for herding, they also use the cow dung for organic farming.
Okay.
So these are the uses of Pulikulam.
Pulikulam is district breed or places is the Pulikulam?
Any breed of cattle always comes from names of places.
Actually Karnataka you take Amruth Mahal is famous, Hallikar is famous, Malnad Gidda, some different way. What is the topmost cattle in Tamil Nadu?
In Tamil Nadu, it's not like you can't give ranks for cattle.
Topmost.
Yeah, but major breed of cattle one is Kangyam.
Kangyam.
Yeah.
Why reason of Kangyam?
Yeah, the reason is Kangyam by looks, by shape, by the kind of work it can do.
Okay.
It can pull up to 2 tons, 3 tons. It can pull in a tire cart.
Okay.
Morning to evening it can work.
Okay.
And it's a very sturdy animal.
Okay.
Very less diseases. Most of the native cattle. Yeah, they get very less diseases. They get.
Okay.
They're very easy, and especially in times of climate change.
Okay.
Today, the best thing to have is native cattle.
Okay.
Native cattle are very, very easy to maintain. They can adapt to climatic conditions, weather conditions, and very easy to maintain. But if you go for exotic, then they need lots of antibiotics. They need lots of treatment. They need cool weather. They can't go for grazing. So this is an advantage of native cattle.
Actually, how to identify pure Kangyam cattle? Some people tell us that is hump is there, some suli is there, some like this. People different ways telling. How to this is pure Kangyam breed? How to identify?
See the horn.
Okay.
The develop. It's called the tada.
Okay.
And then the hump.
Okay.
Then the tail.
Okay.
There are 21 parameters you have to look in a breed.
Local breed.
Yeah. Any breed which is called a breed in India comes under the ICAR.
Okay.
Indian Council for Agriculture Research. There is something called a herd book.
Okay.
In the herd book, all the breed characteristics are clearly defined. And if we take the book and we check, then we'll know what is a good breed.
Sir, you have go to the Gir. Actually, some people tell Gir 1,50,000 rupees.
Yeah.
We have go to Hallikar is up to go to 10 lakh, 5 lakh, 6 lakh. Normal, what is the calf price? Then milk breed price, bull price, normal in
Calf price of a female would be 25,000 rupees after 1 year.
After 1 year.
Male and a female.
Okay.
If it's 2.5 years, 3 years, it will be 40 to 50,000 rupees. And a bull, a stud bull, like that would maybe cost 80,000, 90,000.
That is enough. Only 80,000,
90,000. Yeah.
1 lakh.
Yeah.
Okay. Only single or pair?
A single.
Single. Stud bull only 80 to 90,000.
90,000, 1 lakh rupees.
Okay.
Maximum.
Okay, sir. After mechanism, people is not go to in cow, not in go to in cow grazing anything.
Yeah, because you have tractors.
Yeah.
You have pumps. You have electric pumps to pump water. You have tractors for plowing and all that. So the usage has actually come down.
But vanish. Today, everything is our old breed vanish.
So today it is mostly used for rekla, for what you call biocultural sports like Jallikattu,
Yeah.
Rekla.
Rekla means?
Rekla is racing.
Racing,
Bull
yeah.
racing.
Bull racing.
Like your Kampala
Yeah.
or Belgada
Okay.
in Karnataka.
Yeah.
Like this, there are sports here which thrive on this native cattle. And these cattle are used for that particular purpose. And then this is also used for natural farming, organic farming. The cow dung and the urine is used for organic farming. The native cattle's cow dung and the urine is propagated like people like Dr. G. Namalwar, like Subesh Palekar, etc. They propagate using native cattle's cow urine and cow dung for farming.
Actually, government also is not supported organic farming. Government also supported in chemical farming, scientific everything is right.
See,
sir.
the government,
You
anywhere,
also one of the government part. You have got scientists also is promoting only chemical farming,
there are
pesticide, fertilizer,
two
everything.
things to it. The government has to look into food security. The government has a fear that if you go on for organic farming, the productivity may come down. But actually, it is not true. Even in olden days, if you go to a place called near Chennai, there's a stone inscription that 4 tons of paddy rice was got in 1 acre of land using organic methods. So it is clearly possible to produce good food, organic food, using native cattle or doing organic farming. Organic farming is more sustainable for the farmer because the farmers are pushed into distress. The farmers are pushed into suicide. See, if you take Maharashtra, there are yearly 5,000 to 6,000 cases of farmer distress and farmer distress suicide. So that is something what we want to avoid.
Actually, neem leaves also that is eat.
That is the good thing about this native cattle.
Your native cattle.
Yeah, they like to eat. See how they're eating. They like to
kai iruttalla, something taste is the some different
it is
kai.
actually bitter.
Bitter.
But even then they eat it.
Eat
It's
it.
also a natural deworming thing.
Deworming.
When they eat the neem leaves, they get dewormed also naturally.
ಓಕೆ
Bah.
ಓಕೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಹಲವಾರು ವಿಚಾರಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಗಯಂ ಬುಲ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ.